Hey guys, got my car back from the detail shop, and it's about 5:15, and I haven't seen inside it yet, so let's just see what it looks like. Oh wow. Oh wow, they forgot their rack, but it smells good in here. Wow, look at that. It's all... Oh my god, look at the damn dash. That looks freaking great. Okay, I gotta look at the back seat. This down there is all cleaned up. Totally worth the money I spent. No, door unlocked still. Oh my god, yep. That is awesome. Look how, remember how dirty that was? Wow, that is clean, clean, clean. The speakers are still there. Yep, they are good company, guys. Alright, that's it. Yep, that looks awesome. Let's go over here and see how it looks. I gotta wash it though. I'm probably gonna go wash it right now. But oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is a brand new car to me. Yep. Alright guys. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go wash this before I have to go work. So I hope you guys have a nice week, and next weekend, next Monday, I'm gonna be going to the concert. So I'll keep you guys informed what's going on. Okay. Bye. Brand new car.